We have an amazing den in our house, but there was one major problem. We had the most dated carpet. I couldn't stand it. I decided I wanted to do something bold in there, so I called Villa Lagoon Tile. And they let me create my own custom cement tile on their website. Then I met the most amazing tiler, Adam Esparza, and he made my den look like magic.
So basically we have obviously this really unique pattern tile here, and we're trying to get a unique burst, and there's so many different ways that you could do it. So we're laying out a couple different options and seeing which one we like, and we're liking this. It's gonna look sweet.
How's it coming along?
It's coming along, we're almost finished.
Yay!
That's it, it's a wrap.
So this transformation with the tile has literally changed the room. It's now a statement piece. I mean, seriously, look at this room now. It's stunning.